Friends, we have started lesson number 8, algebraic expressions and operations on them of standard 7 of Maharashtra State Board. In our last video, we saw what is meant by term and we learned what is meant by like terms and unlike terms. In this video, we will see how to bifurcate the term into its variables, coefficients and indices. So we will see that part first. What we have to do? Suppose one term is written. Okay, one term is given 7x raised to 8. What you are expected to write? What we have to identify? Identify coefficient in it. Okay, so according to the definition we have learned in last video, coefficient is 7. Then identify the variables in it. In this term, variable is x. Write down the indices of variables. So indices of variable, index of this x is 8. And finally we will write degree of term. So what is meant by degree of term? Degree of term is nothing but addition of all indices of the variables. Here is only one variable x, index is 8. So addition of all variables, only one variable, addition of its degree is 8 itself. So degree of this is 8. It will be clear with next example. Suppose next example is minus 35x square y cube. Now, what is the coefficient in this? Coefficient is this number minus 35. Which variables are there? Variables are x and y. Two variables are there, x, y. Clear up to this? Indices of variables. What is the index of x here? Index of x is equals to 1 and index of 2 and index of y is equals to 3. Done up to this. And what is the degree of this term? Degree of the term is nothing but addition of indices of all variables. Two variables are there. Their indices are 2 and 3. Degree is nothing but addition of these indices. 2 plus 3, 5. Clear? Let us see with one more example. Minus 5x minus 5x. What is the coefficient? Coefficient is minus 5. Which variable is there? Variable is x. What is the degree of x? We learned in indices chapter. X raised to 1 is equal to x itself. So degree of the x is 1. It is the most important thing, students. Most important thing. Whenever degree of a variable is not written, its index is always equals to 1. So index of x is equals to 1. And what is the degree of the term? Degree of term is addition of all indices. Only one index, that is 1. So addition is 1 itself. Clear? Next, y. What is the coefficient of y? We know that any number 5 is equals to 5 multiplied by 1. 7 is equals to 7 multiplied by 1. So x is equals to x multiplied by 1. Y is equals to y multiplied by 1. Right? Means this y is multiplied by 1. Here x is multiplied by 7. This x square y cube are multiplied by minus 35. X is multiplied by minus 5. Here y is multiplied by 1 because y is y itself according to this logic. So what is the coefficient of y? Coefficient of y is equals to 1. Now what are the variables available here? Only y is there. And what is the index of y? Index of y is 1, as we saw in the previous example. If index is not given, it is 1 itself. So index of y is equals to 1. And what is the degree of the term? Degree of term is addition of indices. So 1 itself. Clear? Let us see one more example. Suppose the term is given 6. Now what? Only one number is given and sir is saying we should have degree and all these things. So let us see what you mean by this. One number is given, so that number is nothing but coefficients. We can directly write coefficient is equals to 6. Done. Now we can write 6 is equals to 6 multiplied by 1. Right? 6 is equals to 6 multiplied by 1. And this 1, remember one rule from the indices chapter, anything raised to 0. 5 raised to 0 equals to 1. So x raised to 0 will be equals to 1. Y raised to 0 also will be equals to 1. Means this x 6 can be written as 6 multiplied by x raised to 0, or this 6 can be written as 6 multiplied by y raised to 0, 6 multiplied by z raised to 0, 6 multiplied by any letter raised to 0. So that any letter, any, perfectly your choice. Suppose I decided to take x. Any letter you can consider variable. Whenever variable is not given, you can consider any letter as variable. Clear? And what will be degree of that variable? If variable is not available, its degree will be equals to 0. So here degree will be 0. Degree of x is equals to, index of x is 0 and degree of the term is also equals to 0. Clear, friends?
Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood concept explained in this video. You might have learned something new through this video. Friends, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a new video, you will get the notifications about it and you will not miss any of the concept of this simple subject. Thank you very much.